This is a 4-row repeat worked on 7 stitches. For my sample, I'm using DK weight yarn and US size 6 needles. For row 1, you knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, and knit 2. For row 2, and when we get to our double yarn overs in this row, which I don't know if you can see, this right here is our double yarn over. We'll be knitting the first yarn over and purling into the second yarn over. So for row 2, you knit 3, here's our double yarn over, you knit into the first yarn over, so knit 3, and then purl 1, knit 2, again here's that double yarn over, knit the first one, and then purl 1, knit 2. For row 3, you're going to knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over twice, knit 2 together, and knit 4. And then finally, row 4, I'm going to bind off 2 stitches, and I'm just using the regular knitted bind off here. And then knit 3. Here's that double yarn over. And then purl 1 and knit 2. And then you just repeat those 4 rows for the pattern.